In a small town somewhere in Italy, an old cotton factory has been abandoned for 40 years. Once known for its high-quality cotton processing, modern machinery, and the careful production of handkerchiefs, bed linens, and kitchen textiles, until it was forced to close due to rising costs and increasing global competition. Join us as we explore this truly unique lost place. The site is difficult to access due to a flowing stream, old stone walls, and very dense vegetation, requiring some climbing and balancing skills.
Halt dich links weiter. Nein, links.
Thorn bushes and overgrown underbrush make the outer parts of the area nearly impenetrable. The factory was founded in 1904 by Giovanni. During a time of industrial growth, a modern operation emerged that quickly became an important employer in the region. The factory had its own steam-based power plant, which supplied the entire production with process heat, especially steam, which was essential for many textile finishing steps. The generated steam was used for foulards, dryers, stentors, and calendars, wherever heat was needed for dyeing, drying, fixing, or smoothing the fabrics. A well-equipped workshop was also part of the site, typical for textile factories of that era. It was used to maintain machinery, repair worn parts, and keep specialized tools ready to ensure smooth production. Many of the old textile machines were left behind after the factory's bankruptcy in 1984, offering insight into the textile manufacturing of that era. They are spread across different sections of the building, each clearly assigned to a specific stage of production. This part of the building was dedicated to dyeing and finishing. At its center, a complete processing line remains, once used to treat and refine fabrics step by step.
gleich mal Mittag machen. Warst du hier?
Nein.
Hier sind die Fußabdrücke. Frisch. Da ist ein Eingang. Guck mal, die sind noch nass. Hier war jemand. Das ist nicht lange her.
In the former finished goods warehouse, where products once awaited shipment, thousands of cotton handkerchiefs still remain, some still sealed in their original packaging. Even after nearly 4 decades, many of them are remarkably well preserved, as if production had only recently come to a halt.
Oh, guck mal hier. Das kann und darf. Achte mal, ob der Hund jetzt mehr von da kommt oder von da.
Erst wenn wir da rausgehen.
Like many European textile companies, this factory came under increasing economic pressure during the 1980s. Growing competition from low-cost producers in Asia, shrinking markets, and a profound structural shift in the industry ultimately led to its insolvency. Despite having modern machinery and a specialized production line, the company could no longer remain competitive. Operations came to a halt, leaving behind buildings, machines, and silent traces of a vanished industrial era.